If you really want to understand your company culture, and we're not talking about the one that's on your slide decks or something written on posters or on the website, we're actually talking about something people live. You need to start by building it or rebuilding it together. Lego Serious Play is one of the fastest and most revealing ways to see how a team truly works. And I'm going to give you 5 things it shows you that HR tech and surveys and all those engagement dashboards can't really show you. Number 1, it reveals the stories beneath the surface. People use metaphor to show what it feels like to work in your team or organizations. They're going to be building towers or bridges or barriers and islands, and these stories are honest, emotional, and full of truth, and that stuff doesn't always make it into your data. Number 2, it reveals how work actually gets done. Every team has a process on paper, but the builds show the real flow of decisions and the blockers, and the handovers, and those bottlenecks. You can spot the workarounds, the invisible glue, and any energy leaks that shape your culture on a day-to-day basis. Number 3 is that it makes those invisible dynamics visible. So on a table, you can see how teams connect and where communication flows and where it breaks. It's kind of like a living map in 3D of your culture, and that gets built in real time. Number 4, it levels the playing field. And I love how inclusive Lego Serious Play is, because everyone builds and everyone explains. So everyone becomes a storyteller. So for a while, the hierarchies disappear and unexpected voices arise. Number 5, the questions shape everything. So the real magic, I think, lies in those build prompts. One example is, we would ask, build what it feels like when this team is at its best. So you'll get stories, not safe answers or opinions. And that's where real dialogue starts. I think it's really powerful when we ask people to build something together and we give them the space to imagine and create. If you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe. If you want more free tools and more ways to unlock that creativity and imagination, please visit the website.